Want to keep your Telegram phone number private? In this video, I will show you how to easiest way to hide your phone number and improve your privacy settings in just a few taps. Follow along and you will have everything set up safely without any confusion steps or technical experience. Now, let's get started. Begin by opening the Telegram app on your phone. After opening Telegram, look for the bottom menu bar. Here, click on Settings. Once you are in Settings, scroll down a little, find the Privacy and Security option, tap on it. Within the page, scroll down again, look for the Privacy section under the Phone Number option, tap on it. Here you can see the Who can see my phone number. You can select Nobody. After that, you can also select Who can find me my phone number. Also select the My Contact option. This means your phone number will see only your contact, not be everyone. All is done, simply hit checkmark icon at the top to confirm. And that's it, your phone number will be hidden. If this guide helped, please like, subscribe and share for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Take care guys.